Hi there guys, and welcome back to Newton FX Academy. My name is King GK, and on this video guys, I'm gonna show you guys how you can set up your Metatrader for success. And this video is most likely dedicated for all new traders who come into the market and who wants to learn how to use the Metatrader for the best success. So let's jump into this video. Let's get right into this video. First, what you must do is go to Play Store. Once you at Play Store, you must search for Metatrader 4. As you guys can see, I already have Metatrader 4 here in the search bar. So once you add this Metatrader 4 app, you must click it download. Mine is already installed, so I will just press open. Once you arrive at your Metatrader 4 platform and you are signed in with your demo account, as you guys can see, you can just click here at manage account. So once you at manage account, I want you to click here at the plus icon. Go to login and existing account. So now you can find your broker that you signed up with. So I'm gonna press mine for now. Veracity, and it's a real account. My login details. After that, you must just enter your password. Now you just click sign in. So now that you are signed in, you will see your name here at the top hand, and you will see the account of, and you will see the amount of money that you have in your platform. So now I want us to go to our products. Here you can see we have these products that you cannot really see. It's light. It is really light. So now I want us to click here on the pencil side again, and I want you to click here on the bin sign, and I want us to remove all of those products and just click here on the bin again. Remove all of it. So now I want you to click on the plus sign and add the Forex pairs and products that you want to trade. So we can go to CFDs, and we can go to allow you guys trading NASDAQ. You can trade NASDAQ, and you also can trade USD, USD. So now we can go to more Forex pairs like GBP, JPY, and you can add it into your trading product list. So now we can remove this one right here. Let me just open this one instead, and remove this one here at the top, because this one was light gray. So now you can see we have 4 trading products up here. So how can you set up your trading platform? So if we click here, we can see we have this green, or you will want to start opening for the first time, you will see that you have a white. So what I want you to do is to go to your settings bar and go to settings. If you scroll down right now, again go to colors, what you guys will see here, we have scheme, and you can click green or black, or you can either click custom, and you can create it how you want it. What I most likely love to do with my charts is that I would always love to do my bull candles in blue and my bear candles in black, right? This is what I will do, and I will just make this black as well and see how it goes. This is how I most likely love to sign up my charts, but you can be more creative, guys, and create it how you really want it. Or you can just use the stock, settings that MetaTrader is basically giving you. So this is basically how you set up a MetaTrader 4 trading account. So how do you actually trade and put into a trade? So how do you basically enter a trading position on MetaTrader 4? So here, as you guys can see, we have this dollar sign right there, and now you can see all of the 4 products that you can trade at this moment. We have Bitcoin, we have Nasdaq, we have USDT, and we have also GBP, JPY. So what I want to do right now is, just because I saw we have this rejection on this 1 hour candle, I would love to take a sell position right there. So if I want to take a trading position right now, I will press on this here in the right hand side on the plus icon. So once I click on the plus icon, I will see we have market execution, and we have buy limit, sell limit, and buy stop and sell stops. The market execution basically means you're gonna enter at a price where price is basically right now. You want to execute right away. If you looking for a buy limit is you will wait for price to come to a certain price area, and your limit will be triggered. The sell stop is basically vice versa. A buy stop is basically you expecting price to continue higher. You place your buy stop, and then price will continue to the upside. The sell stop is basically working the same. You are basically saying price is going to the downside. So now you will place your sell stop just right there. A sell limit in this fact will be, you will put it right here, right? You will just put it up here. And a buy limit, you will just put it down here. You're expecting price to come to this area, tap into it, and then continue to the upside. So this is what you will most likely love to do. So you have market execute, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. So now you can see we have what it calls the lot sizes, right? So if you're a really small trader, guys, and I don't know what your count, you can choose from any amount. If you know how to apply your risk management, you can go with this amount to 1 standard loss, to 20 to 500 standards as well. On this area, you will enter your stop loss, where you will place your stop loss, and on this side you will place your take profit. So now that you have everything included, you can just either press buy or sell. It depends on what you want to do. In this scenario, we want to take a sell, so we will press the sell button. So now you guys can see I did explain you guys everything what you need to know and how to set up your trading view for better success. Thanks guys for watching.